Hey everyone, a few days ago, we received an email from YouTube mentioning that we have received a copyright claim from Studio Will1 on our YouTube video about Google I/O 2024. Here in the email, you can see the details of the copyrighted content used like content owner, content type, and the main impact of the claim is that video is not monetizing. YouTube has also recommended to us what we can do, so we decided to file a dispute against this claim. In this video, we'll walk you through how we recently won a copyright dispute on one of our YouTube videos by claiming fair use. Let's start. Here in the YouTube Studio, click on Select Action in Video Copyright Details, then Select Action, Dispute, and click Continue. Again, click on Continue. Now here we have 4 reasons to choose to dispute this copyright claim. Here are 4 options: original content, license, copyright exceptions such as fair use, and lastly, public domain. Here we have chosen copyright exceptions such as fair use, and click on Continue. Here is the explanation of the dispute. Just check the checkbox and click on Continue. Here we have to select the type of review. It has many options like a promotional video, remix or mashup, reaction video, dubbed video, documentary, commentary, news report, and many more. We have selected others and have written our concern in this box. You will get this text in the description of the video, and just check all the checkboxes here. Enter the signature. Once everything is done, just click on the Submit button. After submission, there is a notification. Just close it. Now we have received an email from YouTube that our dispute has been submitted successfully. After a few hours, YouTube ultimately sided with us and removed the copyright claim from our video. Studio Will1's copyright claim was rejected based on our successful fair use argument. This was a big win, not just for our channel, but for protecting fair use rights overall. If you find this video helpful, just give it a like and share it with your colleagues. We always come up with amazing videos like this, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel.